Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to use hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here go to connections and then go to mobile hotspot and tethering. Then tap on mobile hotspot. Now by tapping here you can enable mobile hotspot. Now you can see in my phone mobile hotspot is enabled. Also, if you want to configure your mobile hotspot, you can easily do it from here. From here you can change your mobile hotspot network name. Also from here you can set your mobile hotspot password. And from here you can choose your mobile hotspot band. You can select 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. If I select 2.4 GHz and then tap on save, now your mobile hotspot is ready for use. Also from here you can use one-time password for your mobile hotspot. And that is how you can use mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.